Hi, Mommy. What are you cooking?
Beans. That's a beans. What you call this?
Peas?
No, it's not a peas. It's a beans. Green
Oh,
beans.
green beans.
Yeah, and then I mixed with the chicken or leftover yesterday. The rotisserie chicken I bought in Walmart,
Uh-huh.
and I mix it there with garlic. I'll fry it with garlic, onion, and tomato. Tomato. And now I'm gonna taste it. This is I cannot stand without eating vegetable in a week. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying my best to eat vegetable, and then I'm gonna put the camera there so that they can see how yummy it is. I will eat it with rice. I'll eat it with rice, and it looks good. I put soy sauce and oyster sauce, salt and pepper. And Chloe, what you gonna eat today? Come on over here. So if you're a Filipina, you will eat that vegetable. But you're half a Filipina, you will eat that. That's barbecue,
alcohol
American
pork.
barbecue. How do you call that?
Pulled pork.
We eat it with that hamburger bun. But this one, I'll eat it with rice. Okay. Right? I don't want to eat that. That's not our barbecue in the Philippines. Our barbecue in the Philippines is they put it in a bamboo stick. And it's so good. And let me taste my food. Okay. Let me taste it. Make sure that my face is not big in the camera. Okay. You will not eat it. If you will not taste it, you will lose 1/4 of your life. Not eating the Filipino foods. Oh my god. It's good. Don't make my face so big.
I wasn't.
Oh my god. Why is it so good? Daddy, you need to taste it. This is not a beans that you just boil and put salt and pepper. I cook it good with the chicken on it. Oh my god, it's so. Don't smile at me like that and you make my face bigger again. Because I don't like my face now. I'm trying to lose my weight by eating this vegetable. Oh my god. Why is it so yummy? Can you look at that? God, Lord. I mixed with the rotisserie chicken that I bought yesterday in Walmart. Yeah. It was my manager, Tamara, who pulled it out from the oven. And it looks so good. And I bought one piece, and that's it. Good. Rotisserie chicken from Walmart. Mix it with green beans. Good.